Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Again, my name is Fola, and I'm just excited to share my journey with you guys. Today we will be restocking, and I want you guys to come with me and see how this goes. Also, I will tell you guys a story. Just stay tuned, because these are some of the things that you will encounter while you're doing vending business. But before I go, I want you to say this with me. I can do this. I am able. I can do everything through Christ that strengthens me. Because guess what, guys? What you say is what you become. If you do not say it, hear it, and have faith, it will not come to pass. So be ready. Follow me on this journey. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the notification button and hit that bell. That way you know exactly when I post. Please guys, this means a lot to me, and I really appreciate you guys. So some of the stock for today, I am switching out a lot of the things that are there, and definitely filling totally. So here, and this is 1 week worth of vending, and this is what it's empty. As you can see, it was full a week exactly ago. But before we continue, I want you guys to go and follow my IG page and also my TikTok. My IG is balloongift.ca. I also have another IG designed by Fola, and then my TikTok is Vending 101 and also Balloon Gift. Follow me and leave all your comments, questions, and so on. So let's get into this. I'm going to show you guys quickly. These coins I have not packed at all, but I always take the cash, but the coins I don't. So let me show you guys. So this coins is pretty full. I'm gonna see how to show you guys. So how much do you guys think this is? This is a month. Okay, let's go and lock it. That's it. Sorry. Okay, last week one of the guys that used, I don't know, one of the people that are here literally shook the vending machine, and by the time I came on Sunday and I opened, as you can see, this is a storage area. The solders that were here fell, switched off the light, broke, and spilled all over this place. So yes, guys, tomorrow, every company, every business has one issue or the other to solve. It is up to you on how you solve it. So when people say there's a lot of pros and cons in vending, there's a lot of pros and cons with Apple, with Walmart, with any other business. So you cannot always focus on the negative part. Fix it, move on, learn from it, and make money out of it. Okay, so let's get to stock in this machine. So guys, I have stocked the machine. As you can see, we have new items, but I'm still bringing one more item there. Now that we have stocked this, I'm going to fix the prices. I cannot show you how I do that because this is one-man business. I'm here by myself, so nobody to hold my phone. And also I'm gonna wipe, but I'm gonna try to show you, the rest of the process. So sets, price sets. Now let's clean. Of course, you want to make sure you clean every week, which I do. Still COVID, and you need to make sure, sanitize. Every time I come here, I wipe down. Over this side, wipe down. Still waiting on this to work. This is going to be another video with NIAX, how long it takes and all that. Set your expectations and don't be bothered. That does not mean you still cannot put up your vending machine, because you still make cash. Okay guys, so that is it for today. Do not forget to follow, subscribe, and like. Do not forget to hit that notification button so that you can see more content. And also, if you in the GTA area, I'm an event planner as well. Do not forget balloongift.ca is my website, and you can also go to www.designbyfola and book a slot with me to go over whatever events you are interested in. Thank you. If you like more of my content, please do not forget to follow me. I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to push you. I'm here to move you from where you are to where you want to be by encouraging you with faith. Thank you.